If you work with long text fields in Monday.com, you know how difficult it can be to read information directly on a board. Scrolling into item cards is slow. Dashboards can feel limited, and trimming text means losing context. Today, I'm going to show you a new feature that fixes that. Monday.com recently released the ability to wrap text inside long text columns, especially when viewed inside list view. This makes it easier to review long descriptions, notes, summaries, meeting details, and any field where visibility matters. On any board containing long text fields, switch into list view. If you do not have list view enabled, add it from the views menu. List view gives you a structured table layout, which is perfect for reading content-heavy fields. In list view settings, choose which columns you want to display. Then enable the wrap text option for long text columns, such as description or notes. The content will expand inside the column instead of cutting off like before. This means you can quickly scan through data without opening individual items one by one. This is helpful for teams working with support notes, case summaries, client descriptions, meeting logs, intake or form submissions, project briefs, and research or content reviews. Anywhere detailed text appears, wrap text improves readability. Because list view is a board view or dashboard widget, you can always schedule exports. Reports sent to leadership or stakeholders will now include full formatted text instead of clip content. This feature removes friction for reviews, audits, compliance reporting, or data exports where clarity matters. This feature is small, but it saves time and makes working inside Monday.com cleaner and more user-friendly. If you want more Monday.com tutorials, subscribe for ongoing product walkthroughs. Or if you need workflow magic to optimize your workspace or build automations for your team, click the link below to schedule a free discovery call. Thanks for watching.